Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the mental healthcare chatbot using AI. So we use Tkinter module for developing the user interface, and it is software related chatbot, and these are the complete features. Like you can change the background color and the calendar, and user have to ask the question and it will reply.
Hello, how are you?
Hey,
Okay, so let's check out the whole functionality.
I am suffering from anxiety. What could be the issue?
it seems that you are suffering from depression.
Can you help me to know more about diabetes?
Medicines you can consume: insulin amylinomimetic drug dipeptidyl peptidase 4, DPP4, inhibitor. Prevention that you must follow: cut sugar and refined carbs from your diet, work out regularly, drink water as your primary beverage, lose weight if you are overweight or obese, quit smoking. Follow a very low carb diet, watch portion sizes. Suggested foods are leafy greens, avocados, eggs.
If somebody is having cold, headache, and high body temperature, what could be the reason?
Medicines you can consume: dextromethorphan decongestant, diphenhydramine, crocin, cold and flu max. Preventions that you must follow: wash your hands, avoid touching your face, clean frequently used surfaces, use hand sanitizers. Suggested foods are garlic, vitamin C containing fruits, leafy greens, broccoli, oatmeal, spices, chicken soup.
I need some consultancy.
Reading nutrition labels helps you make informed food choices. Focus on serving size, calories, and nutrients. Check ingredient lists for hidden sugars and unhealthy fats. Choose whole foods, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins for a balanced diet. You can call me Medbot. Goodbye.
This is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.